Hi and hello everyone. I am Semiconductor, son of Prakash. My metric number is 16DE22F1998.
Name
Today
is
we are going
Ansel, daughter of Murthy. My metric number is 16DT22F 2006.
I'm Ronald Raj, son of John. My metric number is 16DAT22F2005.
I'm Ration, metric card number 16DTK22F2003.
today we are going to see about BJT, bipolar junction transistor. The basics of BJT. The basics of BJT is the transistor consists of three extrinsic semiconductor regions separated by two p-n junctions. The three regions are the emitter SE, the base SB, the collector SC. If the base is an N-type semiconductor, both the emitter and the collector should be P-type semiconductors. If the base is a P-type semiconductor, the both emitter and collector should be N-type semiconductors. There are two types of BJT. There are NPN and PNP. Okay, the BJT has three terminals that represent the base, emitter and collector. Some transistors are equipped with caps to indicate the emitter terminals. The first letter printed on a BJT indicates the types of semiconductor used. If the first letter is A, it means germanium is used in the BJT. If the first letter is B, it means silicon is used. For example, BC 108 and then BC 478. Okay, these are the picture of BJTs. Secondly, we are going to see about the current voltage IV characteristics of bipolar junction transistor BJT depend on its configuration. The common emitter CE configuration. Input characteristics. The input characteristics curve shows the relationship between the input current IB and the input voltage VBE. Output characteristics. The output characteristics curve illustrates the relationship between the output current IC and the output voltage VCE with the constant IB. Okay. The common base CB configuration of common B is input characteristics similar to CE. The input characteristics curve shows the relationship between the input current IC and the input voltage VCB. The output characteristics is the output characteristic curve illustrates the relationship between the output current IE and the output voltage VEB with the constant IC. Common collector CC configurations. Input characteristics are the input characteristics curve shows the relationship between the input current IB and the input voltage VBE similar to CE. The output characteristics are the output characteristic curve illustrates the relationship between the output current IC and the output voltage VCB with the constant IB. In general, test characteristics curves help in understanding how the transistor behaves under different operation conditions. They are essential for designing and analyzing transistor circuits. The shape and slope of this curve provide valuable information about the transistor's amplification and saturation characteristics. So thank you. After this, we are going to see about the principles of working transistor and the configuration of transistor. A bipolar junction transistor BJT is a three-layer semiconductor device that amplifies or switches electronic signals. The basic principles include emitter, base and collector. A BJT has a three layer emitter, base and collector. The flow of current is from emitter to collector. PN junction. Each layer is doped differently, either P-type or N-type semiconductor material. The two types of BJT are NPN and NPN layer between P-type layers and PNP P-type layer between N-type layers. Forward and reverse biasing. Proper biasing of the PN junction is crucial for an NPN transistor. The emitter base junction is forward biased, while the collector base junction is reverse biased. Emitter base junction. Electrons from the emitter N type are injected into the base P type due to forward biasing, creating a flow of minority carriers. Base region. The thin base region controls the current flow. It should be kept very thin to ensure most electrons injected from the emitter reach the collector. Collector base junction. This junction is reverse bias, allowing the collector to attract the electron that across the base region. Amplification. The small current flowing toward the base emitter junction controls a large current flowing from the collector to the emitter, providing amplification. Common transistor configuration are common emitter CE. The emitter is common between input and output. CE configuration provides high voltage gain and medium current gain. Common base CB is the base of common between input and output. CB configuration offers low voltage gain but high current gain. Common collector CC is the common between input and output. Common collector configuration provides high current gain but unity voltage gain. So that's all from us about bipolar junction transistor, and I hope this video is helpful for the students, and thank you for watching. Thank you.